This is the Port of Seattle's Diving In. I'm Mallory Hauser. I'm here with Kelly Purnell. We are at Fisherman's Terminal in the old ship supply building that is going to be transformed into the Maritime Innovation Center. Kelly, why don't you tell us what you do with the Port of Seattle?
I am a capital project manager in our waterfront project management group.
And you're helping to manage this entire transformation, right?
Yeah, that's right. We're taking the old Seattle Ship Supply building and we are going to transform it into basically a brand new cutting edge maritime innovation facility in which we are partnering with our friends over at Maritime Blue, which is basically an incubator for maritime industry to basically foster the new technologies coming out in the maritime industry and a sustainable blue economy type of world.
Now we are at the start of construction, as we can see. It seems like the start of the renovation. When it's completed, what are going to be some unique features? What can we expect?
So one of the most incredible parts about this building is that it is the oldest building in the portfolio for the entirety of the port, both aviation and the port side.
And when we say something is part of the Living Building Challenge, what does that mean?
So this is basically much further beyond even LEED, like LEED Platinum, which is the highest in the LEED certifications for sustainable buildings. This is even beyond that. So what we're going to be doing is maintaining the old growth timber framing of this entire building. So what you see is largely going to be what it will look like in the future, plus some more modern facilities like seismic structural steel framing that will supplement the timber framing, net positive energy, net positive water. So we'll have solar panels on the roof, all sorts of different types of building systems that are completely sustainable and self-supporting.
Wow, and tell me, why is the port investing in projects like this and buildings like this? Why reinvest in Fisherman's Terminal?
Well, I think Fisherman's Terminal is very iconic to the port as a whole and to Seattle as a city. It's been here since the early 1900s and is the home of our North Pacific fishing fleet. So we are actually in the process of a complete redevelopment of Fisherman's Terminal, and this is one of the flagship projects of it. The port is really moving towards a sustainable future, and the best way for us to do that is to invest in buildings and infrastructure that can support the environment and progress our mission to be one of the cleanest ports in the world.
So what's next?
Yeah, so our general contractor, Forma Construction, is in the process of finishing up the pre-construction work that they need to do, and then we are planning to break ground in a couple of months. We should be complete with the project by the end of 2025. So in a couple of years, we'll have a 15,000 square foot maritime innovation hub in which we will help facilitate the growth of maritime innovation technologies, and also to invest and help the growth of our commercial fishing industry, which is and continues to be the heart of Fisherman's Terminal.
Absolutely, that's right. So there'll be lots going on here over the next couple of years. Be sure to stay tuned. We'll be sending out different updates across our port social media channels and website. Thank you for joining us at Diving In.